Hey guys, it's Matt from Fireline Electric, and today we're bringing you the Know Your Power series. Let's get into it. The Know Your Power series is going to cover all sorts of information that would be good for a homeowner who's looking to either do their own electrical work or hire an electrician. And today's topic is do-it-yourself electrical and answering the question, do I need a permit? Let's see. So I just want to start by saying that all electrical work done in Ontario is regulated by ESA. They regulate what I do as a contractor, and they regulate what you do in your home as a homeowner. Their whole purpose and the reason we're paying them money for permits is to enforce and promote safe electrical installations to prevent fires and shocks. And for those of you that don't know, as a homeowner, you are allowed to do your own electrical work. It's totally legal, it's okay. But the issue is, electrical is a little bit complex, it's a little bit difficult, and if you do it wrong, you could be putting yourself, your family, and your property in danger. So that's why you need to get a permit, and that's where ESA comes in for that process. So what is a permit? A permit, or notification of work, as ESA refers to it, is essentially just a document that notifies ESA of your intent to do some work and creates a permanent record in their system of the work done on your house and kicks off a review process. So at the end of that process, if you pass your inspection, you'll get a certificate of acceptance, which is essentially just saying that they came, they reviewed the work, it's to code, it's safe. So having that is extremely useful when dealing with insurance companies if something happens to your home, or in the future, if you want to resell your home, you have a document stating that the work was done properly to code and was inspected. So when do I need a permit? You need a permit even for small jobs. If you are altering, repairing, or adding to an existing electrical installation, any new wiring devices, you need a permit. For small jobs, they're usually under $100. Sometimes they can be more depending on what you're doing. And it is well worth it when dealing with insurance companies or trying to resell your home. So if you need a permit, I will have a link in the description where you can find one and how to go through that process. So that's basically it. That's a permit, and that's when you need to get one. And if you're undertaking any work in your home that you're unsure if you need a permit, how to get one, or even about the work itself, I highly recommend getting a licensed electrical contractor like Fireline Electric to come do the job for you. We have lots of experience, obviously, in that field, and we deal with the permitting and inspection process on the back end, so it's not something you need to worry about. So anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. Moving forward in the Know Your Power series, we're going to be covering another part of this topic, which is inspections, how to get one, different types of inspections. We're going to walk you through that whole process. We're going to cover do-it-yourself electrical work, hiring a licensed electrical contractor, the cost of that, all sorts of information that is good for a homeowner looking to do their own work or hire an electrician. So if you learned something today, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.